High above the clouds, where the world seemed to touch the heavens, lay the Firebird Summit, a towering peak shrouded in myths. It was said that atop the summit lived the legendary Firebird, a creature of blazing feathers that glowed like the sunrise. The Firebird was a guardian of ancient wisdom and would grant a single wish to those brave enough to reach it. The adventurers, four childhood friends, each carrying dreams and burdens of their own, decided to take on the challenge. Ilara, a skilled archer seeking courage to lead her people. Kai, a kind-hearted healer searching for a cure for his ailing sister. Nico, an aspiring poet looking for inspiration to finish his magnum opus. Lila, a tinkerer fascinated by the tales of the Firebird's magical energy. "This is it," Kai said, gazing at the distant peak. "If the Firebird is real, it could change everything." "Let's hope we're up for it," Ilara replied, tightening her bowstring. The journey began in the Misty Woods, a labyrinth of fog-covered trees. The air was heavy, and whispers echoed around them. As they ventured deeper, they encountered a circle of glowing stones. Suddenly, a spectral guardian emerged, its form shifting like the mist itself. "Only those who trust each other may pass," the guardian intoned. The friends held hands, their steps synchronized as they crossed the glowing circle. The mist parted, revealing the path ahead. "Trust is our strength," Lila said, smiling at her companions. Next, they faced Windspike Ridge, a narrow path battered by fierce winds. The howling gales threatened to sweep them off the mountain. "We need anchors," Lila said, pulling ropes and grappling hooks from her pack. With teamwork, they secured each other and navigated the ridge. At one point, Nico lost his footing. Ilara's quick reflexes saved him, her arrow securing the rope just in time. "Guess I owe you a poem," Nico said, breathless but grateful. Entering the Frost Cavern, they found themselves surrounded by shimmering ice walls that reflected their faces. The cavern's bitter cold bit at their resolve, and soon they encountered an ice sentinel blocking their path. "To pass, offer what lies within," the sentinel commanded. Each friend placed a treasured item into a crystalline bowl. Ilara gave her family crest, a symbol of her duty. Kai offered his healing herbs, the tools of his trade. Nico parted with his journal, filled with unfinished verses. Lila surrendered her blueprint for a new invention. The sentinel bowed, allowing them to proceed. As they left, the treasures transformed into glowing orbs that followed them, lighting their path. At last, they reached the summit. The sky burned with hues of orange and gold, and the Firebird appeared, its wings trailing flames that didn't burn. It studied them with piercing eyes. "Why have you come?" the Firebird asked. Each of them spoke from their hearts. Ilara, to find the courage to lead with wisdom. Kai, to save the life of someone I love. Nico, to give voice to the beauty of the world. Lila, to understand and create something greater than myself. The Firebird's feathers shimmered brighter. "You have proven yourselves worthy. Take this gift, not for selfish gain, but to ignite the best within you." It shed 4 glowing plumes, each tailored to their needs. As they touched the plumes, they felt their dreams becoming clearer, their burdens lighter. Descending the mountain, the friends carried not just the Firebird's blessings, but a renewed sense of purpose. Ilara became a beloved leader. Kai discovered a rare herb that cured his sister. Nico wrote a poem that inspired countless others, and Lila created an invention that brought light to her village. The Firebird Summit became a tale they shared for generations, a story of bravery, unity, and the power of dreams.